Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of the Software Spotlight video series, where we bring to you and introduce to you a new function, feature, app, extension, software, application, something that's going to enhance and improve your day-to-day digital marketing performance. Okay, so the tool that we're going to be talking about today was actually released a couple months back, November 2018. By Ahrefs. Now, if you don't know what Ahrefs is, right, definitely hop on board ahrefs.com and check it out. It's one of the best backlink indexes out there, and there's a whole host of other features and functions as well. So the one feature that we're going to be talking about today is something called the link intersect, and this is actually really powerful. Now, as you know, search engines rely on a variety of signals, right, to influence their ranking algorithm. And one of the major signals, even now to this day, is the quality of the backlinks, meaning the links that are actually linking from other websites to your website. Okay, so we're talking both quantity and also quality. Now, if you wanted to rank for a specific term, right, then by following reverse engineering practices, what you want to be doing is you want to be finding out what the current ranking competitors are doing on their backlink profile, namely what kind of links are they getting, which domains are linking to them, right? So up until now, right, a lot of backlink index software like Ahrefs, right, will tell you the list of backlinks for each single competitor, but there hasn't really been a tool that will actually allow you to compare, say for example, the top 3 competitors and what are the common backlinks, and use that as a starting point for actually growing your backlink profile. Okay, so this tool actually is exactly what that does, which is really quite cool, and we're just going to go through and show you what it is. So first of all, right, focus on a major search term or keyword. The one that we have, for example, here is property for sale, New York. Okay, and then you click on in the organic section, say for example the top 3 websites: realestate.com.au, realtor.com, and zillow.com/ny. Okay, so realestate.com.au, realtor.com, and then you zillow.com/ny. Okay, so what you do now is then you take, say for example, you take this, and then you take this, and then you take this. Okay. Now, you can either choose domain or exact URL. We're just going to try and go for exact URL now. Let's see if we get any meaningful results, and we can always change it after that. Now, you can always add more targets if you wish. We're just going to leave it at 3. You can also exclude links. So say, for example, there are specific pages that you don't want to be included on this list, right? URLs that are being linked to. So you can put this in and you can actually exclude it. So let's just stick for simplicity's sake, say 3 URLs here. So you run that. And then here you go. So it says here, referring domain, DR, Ahrefs, Intersect, realestate.com, Realtor, and Zillow. So pretty straightforward. Domain rating, the ranking. So these are Ahrefs metrics, right? Intersect. So out of those 3, how many domains actually have this link, right? NA means not applicable, meaning that is the website that doesn't have the link. And then there says Realtor and Zillow. Okay, and how many do they have? They have 3 from Keyword S2, 4 from Keyword S2. So you go through here. So what it does is it groups all the 2s together. So these are the ones that have common backlinks between both number 2 and number 3. Okay, so from a optimization point of view, you'll be looking at this and saying, okay, if the top ranking competitors all have common backlinks, right, common domains that are being linked to their website, then potentially those sites are the ones that we should be starting with, right, in terms of actually trying to, I guess, solicit or I guess build or earn links from these guys. So yeah, so that's it. So it's really quite straightforward. Now, if the sample set's a little bit small, that's fine. We can actually go back and say, for example, we can do domains now. So we go for, just to make it even more simple, domains. Okay. There you go. And then you start to see that there's probably more links that have intersections, right? More links that have maybe 3 intersections and 2 intersections. That's essentially what we're thinking that will happen. There you go. See, so 3 all the way down. See, and it becomes actually really quite deep in terms of the type of links that all 3 websites have. So our suggestion will be to definitely start with the ones that have the most intersections, and then look at the cost-benefit analysis of each of those links. Meaning, what's the authority, right? What's the relevance, on-topic relevance, on-site relevance, and yeah, what are the resources required to actually get a link from that website. Cool. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Like, a really cool tool, Link Intersect. Highly recommended. If linking and backlink profile is something that you're looking at right now as part of your SEO optimization program. And yeah, like, drop comments below if you had good successes. Let us know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and yeah, we will be back next time. Thanks.